Hey guys, Stefan Ciencio here, and this is video 11 of the Elite Ecom Masterclass, where we're going to be covering outsourcing. At this point in your business, you've got everything set up the way that we showed. You've got money coming in on the front end. You've got a growing customer base on the back end. You got to fulfill orders every day, and you've got everything going in your business, and everything's going great, right? Now, this is the point where we look at how can you scale this up by outsourcing a lot of your daily tasks so that you can focus on some of the important stuff, okay? And obviously it's your business, you run it the way you want, but there are a lot of tasks that you can outsource, very mundane tasks that you can give people that you don't have to start doing every day anymore, which is going to free up a lot of time for you, whether for your leisure or whether to grow your business in new ways that you didn't have time for before. Now, it's one thing to note that when you outsource, you really just can't hand someone the keys to your business and say do this, especially a virtual assistant at $3 or $5 an hour. What you're going to need to do is break down the parts of your store into different tasks, and we're going to cover how to do that in this video. But when you do that, you can assign these specific tasks to your virtual assistants or to your employees, and they will do them. At the end of the day, it's still your business, and you're responsible for the bottom line, but these people can help take care of all these tasks. That's going to leave you with a lot of free time, especially the tedious tasks that are more boring and mundane. Now, when it comes to finding people, you're going to be able to find people of all different price points, and you're going to be able to negotiate with people on what they want. But generally, you can find people from certain countries as cheap as $3 an hour. Now, it doesn't mean that they're going to be bad workers, because $3 in many countries for an hour is actually a lot of money. So it's up to you to see how much money you really want to invest, what country you want to get to people. That's all up to you, and we're going to cover how to go about doing that. So anyway, let's go to the first slide. So in this slide, there's certain things that we can outsource, okay? So I'm just giving you some ideas here. You can outsource your product and niche research. Basically, this is the part where you go on Watch Count or a bunch of other sites and you see what's hot in certain niches, or just finding good niches in general. And people will report back to you, and this could save you a lot of time. Fulfilling orders is a huge one, and honestly, it will come to a point where if you're getting hundreds of orders in a day, you're gonna need to get help fulfilling these orders no matter what, okay? So that's a big one. Another one is creating Facebook audiences. Just like we did in Audience Insights, you can get people to actually go in and create these Facebook audiences for you, okay? And that's going to save you big time. The same thing with setting up Facebook ads. It's a boring, mundane task. A lot of times you can have people do this for you. And then lastly, this is another one of my favorites, is adding products to your store. This can be very tedious. So you can actually have people find products in your niche and then also add them to your store too. It's really up to you how you want to go about it. I'm just giving you some ideas as far as how you outsource. Another thing to look at is places to find freelancers, okay? So the two websites that I absolutely love to find freelancers is Upwork and Elance. Apparently, Upwork bought Elance. I still use the Elance platform, as I'm going to show you guys, but you can use either site. And another one is Google. If you just go to Google and type in looking for freelancers, you're going to find so many different sites. I like to give you guys a couple of examples you can go to right away, but also teach you how to go about finding these for yourself. Just like I did with dropshipping in the bonus dropshipping manual, I gave you some upfront sources, but also show you how you can find more sources of your own. So best of both worlds there. I am going to take us to Upwork just so you guys can see what the page looks like, and I'm going to take you to Elance, which is still what I use, to show you how to set up a job properly to find freelancers. Okay, let's go do that now. Okay guys, so this is the Elance website. It's just elance.com, and basically, as you see at the top here, just like I mentioned earlier, it is an Upwork community, and if you want to hire someone, it's very easy to come in here and actually find people. And then this is the Upwork site, which, as I told you, they're essentially became the same thing now. It doesn't matter which one you sign up with. Eventually, I think Elance is going to go away. I personally still use Elance, but the platform is pretty much identical to each other. So this is now inside my Elance. I just logged in literally from the home page here. You can log in up here. Once you sign up, you just go to I want to hire, and on this page it should be the same thing. Post your job here. Anyway, so if you want to do that, once you're inside Elance, all you have to do is go to post your job. Okay, so looking. Or something like that. Whatever you're going to set these boundaries. You're the hirer. You're the guy doing the hiring. So here you go, virtual assistant, general office assistant, and you can basically tape these. So we put that in there, general office assistant. Let's see. So look at this. It actually loads in some of the responsibilities here that you can obviously go down and tweak. So here we could just say looking for daily assistant for 2 hours per day General tasks will include data entry. So data entry would be like fulfilling orders, placing orders for people placing orders for people on the products they ordered. You could even say fulfilling. And then down here you could come down and you know, edit this based on what you want. Travel planning, so you don't need any travel planning. Email management, if you want them to write emails for you, you know, however you want. And then down here you can actually use specific tasks. So data entry, let's see if there's fulfilling. Nope, nothing for fulfillment, so I would just do data entry for that. But essentially you just come in here and you look for your, look at this, Etsy administration. That would be maybe a good one just because they've probably dealt with e-commerce before. Then you could set an hourly rate, so you can pay less than $10 an hour, and then from there you would get a lot of bids and you could be able to negotiate. Okay, so if you continue, you have the option of doing this. I never do this. It's just a way to get your job posted to get more exposure. You could do that if you're really in a rush. I don't usually do it. And this is what's going to go out. So looking for virtual assistant 2 hours per day, looking for daily assistant 2 hours per day, all this stuff. And basically that's what it is. So that's how you outsource, guys. And if you wanted to go to Google, you could just go to Google and do that too. And it's pretty straightforward. From there, you would just manage with your VAs. You would figure out a way to get in touch with them, whether it be Skype, Facebook, anything that's comfortable for you. Email, just straight on the Elance or Upwork platform. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon.